Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone 14 series users have been reporting that brightness keeps dimming. In today's video, I will show you some solutions to get rid of this issue. Solution 1 is turn off attention aware features. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, it will ask you to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Turn off Aware feature if it's on. When you look at your device while receiving calls or notifications, it will dimming the brightness. Solution 2 is turn off auto brightness. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size, scroll down to bottom, then turn off Auto Brightness. Solution 3 is Disable True Tone. Go to Settings app, tap on Display and Brightness, disable True Tone if it's enabled. Solution 4 is restart your iPhone. For that, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. At bottom, tap on Shutdown. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide to power off. Slide to right side. Wait for 30 seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 5 is force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 6 is reset all settings. This process resets your all customized settings to default settings, but no data or media will be deleted. To do this, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcodes. Tap Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings to confirm the process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.